Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless again, and welcome back. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, let's jump right back into it. Today we're going to talk about the market profile, 3-day today only. The way I'm going to post the link down below, but just so you understand, when you load the link, it's actually on today's only. And I'm actually filming this over the weekend, so it'll look something like this. It won't load because this chart doesn't start to load until I'm on the West Coast, so 6:30 a.m., right when the stock market actually regular trading hours open, just so you know. So it'll look like this, but what I'm going to do is just change it to 1 day so we can actually see what it looks like. And this is what the chart looks like. I'm going to go through everything, and again, I will link the or put a link for Thinkorswim down below. So if we go into studies, edit studies, what we have is the small dog fibs, which is their Fibonacci levels automatically that go from high to low, the 38, the 50, and the 61% fib levels. Then we have volume profile in here, and if you go to, these are the settings. Again, you can always pause the video to get these settings or download the link. I also have my waterfall code. You could go to my website, DayTradingFearless. You could download the ebook under the video courses. It's a free ebook. It's called The Waterfall Trade, and all it is a stair step or stair step down, kind of like this, right? One higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We break below, and what it does is it colors the candle white. So you know that, okay, we've reversed trend. That's all this really is, price action with trend. We also have the 50% level. Okay, so you could see this dotted light blue line matches up with the 50% from high to low. And then we have just a normal VWAP level, okay, normal settings, and you can see how well these levels work, right? Come down, bounce off the VWAP, fall, come back near it, fail, 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 break above. It now acts as support, and it also matches up sometimes with the 50% and also the market profile. I love this chart. This is probably one of my favorite charts for intraday scalping and trading, because it's telling me really what's happening under the hood. So as we start to rally late Friday, I could see we start to build out market profile up here. We have a low volume node here, high volume node here, that if the market was still open, I would probably guess to say we would go up. There might be a divergence here, start to pull back, fill this out, and bring up the point of control to shift. And then these are the value area high and low, where 70% of all the volume trades in between that level, right? So they'll also act as support or resistance levels, meaning if we start to fall, I would probably look to be a buyer for a quick scalp trade down at the very first touch of a value area high. But if we did trade sideways for maybe the next little while, you will start to see the gray area start to get longer and longer. And what will happen a lot of times is it's accepting price up at these levels, and then you'll see the point of control literally get shifted higher, okay, up into this level, and then start to go sideways. So again, I love this chart. This is what my main setup looks like right here for the S&P E-minis. Again, I'm a scalper for them. I have multiple videos. but this is a market profile. But here is that same chart down here, right? So as we start to fall, oh, look, we have the 200 on the 1 minute, right? EMA around 251. Oh, look, we have the value area high with almost a low volume node. So if we did come back, I'd be looking to potentially be a buyer around these levels as a scalper, okay? So again, I hope this helps. I will link the chart down below for the Thinkorswim users. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, put them down below in the link. Talk to you soon.